We try to create with this project possibilities for this highly talented young musicians to perform abroad in many different beautiful places. So it's a very important phase for any musician to manage this transition from being a student to being an artist, established artist, musician.
Ser professor no projeto Sounds of Change foi uma grande oportunidade, a partir da Orquestra Filarmónica Portuguesa, trabalhar com jovens trompistas, no meu caso, de vários países, e de outros instrumentos também, poder partilhar conhecimentos e eu também partilhar as minhas ideias com os restantes alunos, com a restante orquestra.
Sounds of Change was a project that allowed us to play with an international orchestra in Novi Sad and in Ljubljana, in Slovenia, and in Serbia. And we played a great masterpiece, Mahler 5th Symphony. We play it at the detail. We have some good rehearsals with Maestro Osvaldo Ferreira. We worked it in the depth of the music.
For me, being part of this project was really good. It was a really nice experience. Playing a Mahler symphony in Novi Sad and in Ljubljana was very special for me.